look at me and tell me which story we'll read today. What is the title? Show me. The
Grateful Girl.
Okay. Do you know what is a gull?
Girl is a seabird.
Very good. Now start reading. Look at the text and start reading.
Before you read, when we feel grateful to someone, it
Simply
means
why we want
we want to say that
thank you to whom did you
say
thank
you today.
Now look at me. Have you said thank you to anyone today?
Yes.
To whom you have said thank you? Have you said thank you to anyone today? You have said thank you to whom?
Mother.
To your mother today. Okay, very good. Now look at the text. A gull.
A gull.
Read properly, nicely and clearly.
A gull is the bird that lives near the sea.
Now tell me, where does a gull live? A gull lives
Gull lives
near
near
the pond. Near the pond, na? Near the pond, to? Then near the
joint.
Look at the text very carefully. A girl is a bird that lives near the. Look at the text. I will not repeat continuously one thing. Where does a gull live? A gull is a bird that lives.
Lives near the sea.
Then what are you telling? It lives near the pond.
No.
Then
Bird.
near the.
Near the sea.
Then start reading. Join the dots.
To draw goal after you read the story, color the goal.
So you have done it already.
Yeah.
After reading, what you have to do? You have to color this bird. Start reading. One day,
Little girl Betty was playing with
clearly read.
Her brother
Gills on the seashore. So now look at me and tell me, who was playing? Betty was playing. With whom?
No.
With whom? Betty was playing with her father. Okay?
No.
Then
Brother.
what was her brother's name?
Gills.
Start reading. Continue. Seashore. It was
a
pleasant.
morning.
Do you know what is the meaning of pleasant? Pleasant means very beautiful. Okay. Next. Continue. Suddenly, put your finger properly. Suddenly, Betty saw
a grey
bundle rolling over
over
in the
the
waves. When they were playing, who were playing? Betty and Gills. They were playing, and when they were playing, they saw that a grey bundle rolling over in the waves. Okay, continue. What's that?
What's that?
She asked. Gills looked.
At the sea.
It's a. Put your finger properly.
It's a
Gull.
bull.
He
He
said. I think she is her. Next, they
will
walked
walk
into
to the water
and picked
Pick
her
her
up.
up.
So, what happened? Betty and Giles, when they saw the ghoul bird, they picked it up from the water,
Water.
from the sea water. Okay, next continue.
The ghoul was
Covered
covered with oil.
oil. Remember this thing.
The
The
oil
had
had
come
from the sea.
from a
A
sheep.
sheep.
Now I have one question for you. So the bird, the ghoul bird, was covered with oil, and where did the oil come from? The oil came from your kitchen.
Yes.
The oil came from your kitchen, though.
No.
Then the oil came from a. Look at the text and tell me. Look at the text and tell me. The oil came from a. The bird was covered with oil, and that oil came from a. I am telling continuously one thing. Look at the text and tell me. Look at your book. The oil had come
The oil had come
from your kitchen,
sea.
from a sheep. Clear? Next, read.
The ghoul looked very
Ill
ill
and
and
tired. Tired.
tired.
See.
She could not fly.
Now tell me. Why was the ghoul not able to fly? Why it could not fly?
Covered
Because it was covered.
in oil.
Because it was covered with.
Oil.
That's why it was not able to. That's why it was not able to fly. Turn the page. Open the page. Open the book properly. Now read. Let's
us
take her
take her
home.
home.
Mother will know
Mother will know
what to do,
what to do.
said
Said
Betty.
Betty.
What happened actually? When they were playing, they saw the ghoul bird. Then Betty was telling that, let's take this bird to our
Home.
and mother knows what to do. Okay, mother will take care of this bird. Continue. Mother
Mother
tried hard
that her
to
to
clean
clean
the
the
ghoul's
ghoul's
wings.
wing.
So who was cleaning the wings of the ghoul? Betty, Giles, mother or father?
Mother.
Mother was cleaning the wings of the ghoul. Continue. The bird, put
The
your finger properly. The bird, where it is? I will give you a slap now. Where it is, the ghoul, the bird? The bird did not
the bird did not move.
The bird did not move. Full stop. Read properly, clearly. I am telling you continuously one thing. Remember that thing. Finally,
Mother could
got
got the oil of the ghoul's
wings.
wings.
I cannot listen anything. Read loudly.
Betty put her in a
Shoebox.
and the
Tired bird
but
lay.
in it.
Now I have one interesting question for you. Where did Betty keep the bird? Betty kept the bird in her almirah. In her almirah.
No.
In her, in a,
her beach.
look at the text. She kept it in a
In a shoebox.
shoebox. What do we keep in a shoebox? What do we keep in a shoebox?
The tire.
We keep tire in a shoebox. What do we keep in a shoebox? What? Which thing we keep in a shoebox? In a shoebox, if this is a shoebox, so in a shoebox, what do we keep?
Bird.
Bulb. What we keep in a shoebox?
Wool.
What we keep in a shoebox?
Birds.
We keep birds in a shoebox. What we keep in a shoebox? Shoebox. What we keep in a shoebox?
Wool.
If you go to a shop, then this is a shoebox. So what we keep in a shoebox? We keep shoe in a shoebox. Do you know shoebox? Shoe. Do you wear shoe? Do you wear shoe? Where?
Also.
Do you know what is a shoebox? Shoebox is a box where we keep
Shoe.
shoe. In a shoebox, Betty kept the Betty kept the wool in a
In the shoebox.
shoebox. But what we keep in a shoebox? Normally, what we keep?
Bird.
Generally, what we keep in a shoebox? If we go to any shop, if there is a shoebox, what they keep? In a shoebox, we keep. If this is a shoebox, we keep. What do we keep in a shoebox? We keep shoe in a shoebox. What we keep in a shoebox?
Shoe.
We keep shoe in a shoebox. Where did Betty keep the shoebox? Bird. Where did Betty keep the bird? Betty kept the bird in an almirah. In an almirah, though. Where?
Shoebox.
Tell loudly. I cannot listen anything.
Shoebox.
In a shoebox. Continue.
And the tired bird
Lay in it.
in it.
Continue.
For
3 days.
3 days, Betty and
Gills.
Gills took good care of the bird. On the
Fourth day.
fourth
First day, second day, third day, fourth day. On the fourth day,
on the fourth day,
they took
they took her out into
into the
the
garden.
garden.
GRDN, garden.
Garden.
She stood there.
She stood
There
there
for a
for a
moment,
moment,
looking up
looking up at
the
the sky. Then she
saw
saw the other ghouls
Flying above.
above. She squeaked happily and
Lifted her. Read.
gave her
Lovely.
lovely
Grey
wings. She
Flew straight
straight
up.
up into the air, joined the other ghouls and
Flew
flew
away.
away.
So here you can see the picture. Betty and Gills, they took the bird into the garden and they released the bird. Okay, now continue. A
few days later,
after few days, what happened? Betty
Betty and Gills
were
were
playing
playing
on were playing on the
on the
beach.
A
Large dog
large dog
was
was
running
running
towards
towards
them.
They did them.
They read again. They
dog
read again. They
they did not see him. The dog's Betty
put your finger properly.
bet
The dog
the dog
barked.
barked.
Bark mean, do you know the meaning of bark? Bark is the sound of
Sound of dog
The dog barked
barked
angrily
angrily
at
at Betty. Betty
scream
screamed
in
in
fear.
fear.
Scream means cry loudly. Giles,
Please
help me.
help me.
Why was Betty screamed? Why did Betty scream? Why she was crying? Because a dog
The
was barking at her. Continue. Giles ran to,
help her go.
but the dog, read properly.
Dog barked at him too.
Giles was scared. Next page. Last page. Just then,
Just then
something
something came down from the sky with a
harsh
harsh
sound.
sound.
Now look at the picture very carefully. Look at the picture. So Betty is here. Giles, he is also here. The dog was barking at them, so that's why they got scared. Now suddenly from the sky, who came? That ghoul bird to help
The hill
the boy and the girl. To help the boy and the girl. Okay, continue. It picked the dog's nose and
and the dog
ran off.
ran off. It
Flew
flew
after
up after the dog and picked him.
him on his back. Again on his back it picked the bird.
Betty,
Now then continue. The dog,
the
you are not looking at the text, you are not reading properly.
boys from the
Beach.
beach. Betty and
Giles
Giles
looked up.
looked up.
They saw, read properly, loudly, clearly.
They saw
A ghoul
a ghoul
flying up
flying up in the air with a loud happy cry.
Giles, said Betty.
Said Betty.
Look,
Look,
it's our ghoul.
our ghoul.
The ghoul
The ghoul
we saved.
we saved.
So, few days ago, they saved a ghoul bird. That bird today came to help them from the dog. Very good. I am sure
I am sure of
that
that she came back to save us. The ghoul
squawked
stayed happily
and
and
flew away
flew away
far
far
went
went
home
home
and
and
told
told Mother Kanna
how
how their goals help, but
how their
how their
goal.
goal helped them.
Now I have one question for you. Who was playing on the seashore?
Betty and Goose.
Betty and Giles. Okay, what was the name of Betty's brother?
Gills.
Giles. Okay, when they were playing, they saw a grey bundle rolling on the sea. Okay, actually that was a
Gills.
what it was?
But
That was a bird. Okay, and it was covered with
oil.
sure though, or it was covered with juice.
No.
No, it was covered with oil, and the oil had come from your
Sea.
kitchen.
Sea.
Sure though, or from your kitchen.
No.
From a sheep. Very good. So they helped the bird, and after many days, the bird saved them from a
A dog.
dog. Okay. So how was the story? The story was good or bad?
Go.
Good. Then smile. Huh? You whenever you will read, you have to read loudly and clearly. That is very much important. And always pay attention when you are studying. Okay. Now look at me and smile. High five. Good.